This is just a short look on the cranial nerves. Alright, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves which leave the brain and pass through the foramen of the skull. All cranial nerves are distributed in the head and neck except cranial nerve 10, which is vagus nerve, which also supplies structures in the thorax and the abdomen. The first cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve. Then you have the optic, oculomotor, the trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, vestibular cochlear, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory, and the hypoglossal nerve. Alright, first the olfactory nerve. The olfactory nerve is a sensory nerve, it's mainly sensory, and so is the optic nerve. The oculomotor nerve is a motor nerve, controls the movements of the eye muscles. The trochlear nerve is a motor nerve. The trigeminal nerve is both sensory and motor. Abducens is a motor nerve. The facial is both sensory and motor. Vestibular cochlear is sensory. Glossopharyngeal both sensory and motor. Vagus is both sensory and motor. You have the accessory, which is motor, and the hypoglossal is also mainly motor. Here's a ventral view of a diagram of the brainstem, showing the different cranial nerves. This is the pons, the basal portion of the pons of the brainstem, and this is the medulla oblongata. This is the trigeminal nerve, the root of the trigeminal nerve, abducet, nerve 6, facial, and the vestibular cochlear, and so on. This is an inferior view of the brain, showing the different roots of the different nerves. This is an even better view of them. This is the brainstem, a lateral view of the brainstem, showing the trigeminal nerve and the vestibular cochlear nerve, abducens, and so on. This is a posterior view of the brainstem. Can continue reading that. The nucleus of cranial nerve can extend to different levels. So you can see the different levels where the nucleuses are, or the nuclei.